For number 14, we're asked to find the missing side of the right triangle. Round the answer to the nearest tenth. So going down my answer choices of finding missing sides, Pythagorean theorem, special right triangles, or trig ratios. Pythagorean theorem fails here because we're only given one side, the 8. Special right triangles fails because there's no 30-degree angle, 60, or 45. Therefore, we're using one of the ratios here, which I wrote, sine, cosine, or tangent. So first thing you want to locate is your reference angle. It's the 55 degrees, and figure out what the hypotenuse is, adjacent or opposite, in relation to the 55. So if you draw an arrow, it always points to the opposite side, so our x is our opposite, O. And hopefully agree, across the 90 here is the adjacent, is the hypotenuse, and it's blank, so we're not going to label an H anywhere. Therefore, the 8 is my adjacent. So, what uses an O and an A? That would be tangent. So we're plugging in from that equation, tangent of theta. This symbol here is called theta, it's just the angle. So tangent of 55 degrees equals fraction bar. Opposite goes first, so that's up top, the x. Adjacent is below, that's the 8. Because x is located in the fraction part, we're going to cross multiply, put a 1 under the tangent of 55. So 1 times x is x equals tangent of 55 times 8. I'm going to write it as 8 times tangent of 55. So what should I expect in my calculator? If I look at x, it's definitely longer than the 8, so it should be bigger than 8. So I'm going to hit 55 tangent, and then times 8 equals, and I get approximately 11.4, which makes sense because it had to have been bigger than 8.